very pleasant morning to you all, children. Today we shall be demonstrating the process of osmosis with the help of potato osmoscope. Clear? So, how to demonstrate potato osmoscope? For that, what are the materials required? We required a petri dish. Clear? This is, you require distilled water or simply water you can take, tap water, 20% concentrated sugar solution, potato and pins. Clear? Now, how to start? First of all, you take a petri dish and you pour some distilled water to it. Now, this is a potato which I have peeled and cut the bottom to have a flat base. Got it? Now, make a cavity. Scoop out the inside part so that you get a cavity here. Got it? Now, we want to show osmosis. Now, after making this cavity, you place it on, you add some amount of concentrated sugar solution. Clear? Now, for that, pour a little bit. You can use a little bit of it, about 1/4, and mark the initial level with the help of pin. See what I have done. I have peeled out the peel of the potato, that is, take it out with the help of the peel remover, and then cut the bottom, that is, make the base flat and scoop out in the middle so that you have a cavity. Now, you pour some amount of concentrated sugar solution and mark the initial level. Now, come here, place it into a petri dish where I have already added distilled water. Place it in this way. Got it? And you have to wait for a while to see whether osmosis has taken place or not. Clear? Now, when we talk about osmosis, what is osmosis? It is the movement of solvent molecules. You have already studied under the chapter of absorption that the movement of molecules takes place by the process of diffusion, osmosis and active transport. Passive transport is also there, but diffusion is defined as passive transport. Now we are talking about osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of solvent molecules only, that is, water molecules only, from a region of higher concentration to a region of low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. What is a semi-permeable membrane? It is a membrane that allows only solvent molecules to pass through it. Got it? So we have to wait for a while to see if there is any change in the initial level of the sugar solution. We have added it to the potato cavity. Clear? Now, I had already prepared. You have to wait for about half an hour or so to see the change in the level. So, I had already this one. You can write down in your copy as such, that is, materials required, aim of the experiment. Clear? Now, in the morning I had prepared, same experiment I had carried out. You can focus here. See, I had done the same experiment 3 hours before. Clear? I had taken a petri dish, added the distilled water, and this potato, the cavity, the initial level, you can see I had marked it earlier. Now you can see the rise in the level of the sugar solution. How is it possible? What does it prove? It proves that osmosis has taken place. How? This distilled water consists of only solvent molecules that has passed through the membrane, and they have increased, that is added to the sugar solution, concentrated sugar solution, which indicates by the rise in the level of the sugar solution. So the same thing will happen in the experimental setup. This setup I had done it just 3 hours before, and to show you all I have done it now. So to see the change or the rise in the level of the sugar solution, you have to wait for about an hour or so. Clear? So I had done the experiment earlier so that to show you all how there is rise in the level of the sugar solution, and you can see this is the final level, this was the initial level. Now some of you children may not have the books. Got it? You have to get this bio-practical book. I hope all of you have got it. This is the bio-practical book, and those who don't have the book, for their convenience, I am giving you this experiment. You can, this one experiment I will show you. This experiment, you have to write in this way. Experiment number 5, draw the diagram. Right, start from both the diagrams you have to draw. Start from this page. Write the aim of the experiment, materials required, procedure, observation. So that's all for this particular experiment. So you can see that the experiment setup which I had done 3 hours before has shown a rise in the sugar level solution, proving that osmosis has taken place. So osmosis will take place from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration in case of solvent molecules through a semi-permeable membrane. Clear? Thank you.